Hello everyone, welcome to the first video of Flutter. In this video, we're going to see how to install Flutter in Windows operating system and then create a simple app using Flutter. As you guys already know, Flutter is a UI toolkit developed by Google for building beautiful and natively compiled applications for mobile, web, desktop, and other platforms. So along with Flutter, we also have a language called Dart language, DART. So it's a language similar to JavaScript. So using Flutter as well as Dart, we develop apps, cross-platform apps. Okay, so first of all, go to this website flutter.dev and click on Get Started. So based on your operating system, you can select whatever operating system you want. So currently I have Windows, so I just select Windows, and then as you can see, the basic requirements for us to install Flutter. So as you know, Windows PowerShell is already integrated in your system, in Windows system, and the next thing is we need to have Git install in your Windows system. As you guys already know, Git is a package manager, so go to this website git-scm.com/downloads. I will leave the link in the description box. So just go to the website and click on download, and once you have downloaded, just install this Git software. So that is pretty much it, and after that we need to have this Flutter zip file. So currently we have this Flutter version 2.5.2, which is of stable version. Just download the zip file and also go to developer.android.com/studio and then download the Android Studio. So finally we'll be having these three softwares. One is the Git version, one is Flutter Windows 2.5.2 stable version.zip, and then finally we have Android Studio. So we already have installed Git. Now you also install Android Studio. Once you have installed Android Studio, just open it. So in the first instance where you install and then open it Android Studio, it will ask you to install a lot of basic things like Android SDK manager and other stuff. Just click on accept and proceed with the further installation. Once you have installed all the basic things for Android Studio, then go to plugins and search for Flutter here and click on install, and also search for Dart and click on install. So currently I have installed both the Dart as well as Flutter. So that is pretty much it, and then go back to projects and click on more actions, as well as click on SDK manager. So as you can see, this is the location where our Android SDK manager has been saved. So please note down this location because we're going to save it into our environment variables and add it as a path in our system. So please make sure to note this path, and then click on this SDK tools tab, and then make sure you select this required whatever I have selected: Android SDK build tools, Android SDK command line tools, as well as Android Emulator, Android SDK platform tools, and also Google USB driver and Intel x86. So make sure to select all of these things, whatever I have selected, and click on apply. As once Android Studio finishes downloading these versions, just click on OK. note this path as well as our Android SDK path. Okay, now so we have installed Android Studio, we have installed Git as well as Flutter. Now we need to include them in our environment variables. Just to type for environment variables and open it and click on environment variables, and in that we have user variables. So the path that we have, this Flutter path, whatever zip file that we got, so this is the folder where we have installed all of the Flutter things. If you can go back, so this is the folder where we have all the Flutter related files. So in that we have one of the folder called bin. Just copy the folder path and go to environment variables, and inside the environment variables we have user variable, and inside this we have this variable called path. Just click on edit and then give your this whatever path you have copied. So currently I have my Flutter extracted into this folder. So whatever, similarly if you can copy this path and just paste it here as well. Okay, so but I already have a folder for Flutter in this path, but I also to just demo it to you, I have the same folder copied here also. So I just don't need this, just delete it. But if you're wherever your Flutter has installed, just copy the path and then add it as a path here. Okay, just click on OK. Now as I told you, we also copied our Android SDK location, right? So just copy this and then paste it in your here. So you can see this is my Android SDK manager path. So inside this we have we need to have 2 folders, and those 2 folders we need to add them in environment variables, system variables. So one of the first folder is platform tools and tools. So just click on it, just copy this location, go back to the system variables, and you can see the path here. Just double click on it and add it. Similarly do the same thing for tools as well. Okay, so that is pretty much it. Just click on OK. Now we have installed both Flutter as well as Android SDK manager in the path, environments path. So now to check whether Flutter has been installed correctly or not, we open PowerShell, just click on it, and here we need to enter a command called Flutter Doctor. See, once you have done all of those things, you would find no issues. We have all the check marks done. See, but sometimes you may find the error called to install Android licenses. So if you find that error, Flutter will give you the command to get the licenses. So as soon as you saw that error, just click on the install button and then install all the licenses. So just like this. Okay, so now that we have created Flutter, let me open our beautiful code editor, which is VS Code. Boom. So let me create a new window. So let me open the VS Code. So now we have this VS Code. Inside this we need to install our extension Flutter as well as Dart. So just click on this Dart as well as Flutter extensions and make sure you install both of them. Okay, once you have installed them, just click on Ctrl+Shift+P and type Flutter. Sorry, spelling is bad. And click on New Project, and it will give you a list of options. Currently I would like to create my application. Just click on Application, and I will select the folder where I want to create my application, I would select this folder, and then I'd say just click on select a folder and then give the name of your app. I would say just like hello world is my app name. Just click on enter. I trust. So as you can see, it is going to execute this command flutter create. Boom. So you got a new Flutter project created. Okay, so we have this folder, which is lib folder, which is the main for Flutter, and inside this we have a file called pubspec.aml file, which is similar to package.json in Node.js. So where we install all the dependencies or other stuff. And currently we have this our versions. So I would like to demo this app in my Chrome. If you don't want Chrome, you can use Edge. But let's say you want to execute this app in Android, then you need to create Android emulator first. So this option is coming from Android Studio. As you have installed Android Studio, so this option will be coming from there. So currently I would like to demo it in Chrome. Just click on Chrome and go to main.dart and click on run with debugging. So it's going to compile this Flutter or Dart code into a web kind of thing, and then it is going to open it in your browser. You can see this is the first time that I am running the Flutter code. So there it is. We have our first Flutter app created. We can increment the counter, and let's say you just want to change the name here, and for that you just have to scroll down. I would say hey codeawesome community, and click on Control S or save. Then automatically we have this feature called hot reload. So where you change the code and instantaneously that change will be occurring in your app. Yeah, that's it guys. So we have installed Flutter in our system. Hope you liked the video. If you do like the video, just give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, just hit the thumbs down. Don't forget to subscribe or leave a comment. Until next time, take care and enjoy. You guys are awesome. Bye bye.